Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to run some errands, but I thought I would pop on real quick and say hi y'all. I want to show you something. That is snow. Like, you know, it's not really sticking to the ground right now, but it's snow. Yeah, so after several weeks of mid-teens temperature, Canada is doing what Canada does, and the spring be springing. So today is Thursday. Today's a Thursday, and I am about to head to the office, run some errands, head to a meeting, and then try to be back home so the babe can have the car to go pick up our daughter. Y'all, I'm at the gas station. I forgot my purse. I had to go back and get it, and my card's stuck in the machine at the pump. And let me tell you, I did not know it was that cold out here. I'm gonna come out my nice and adjust my jacket. I have a good top on and stuff, but my ears, baby, I done put on a hat and my ears, mother F. Anyway, just wanted to tell y'all. So I finished working earlier when I'm working from home, and I like to make sure that my daughter comes home to a clean, tidy environment. So whenever my husband leaves to go pick her up, I start racing around the apartment to clean up. So I'll straighten, the desks and settee and do the dishes and things like that. And I don't know what it is. I feel like I just want her to come home to a clean house. When I was younger, I wanted that all the time. I would come home and the house would be chaos, and I just, would feel a little bit frazzled. And so I got this thing where I want that for her. I want that peace for her. I don't know, maybe I'm too millennial a mom, but that's what I hope for her. So that's why I'm running around the house. Today was a Friday. There was a little bit more to pick up, so I was trying to get it all done within a few minutes, because that's all I have. And I want to be able to take a shower as well, so that I'm able to just relax with her and spend some quality time with her after school and talk about her day, and she can tell me all the second grade tea. Now, on a Saturday morning, since I'm not a morning person, Monday through Friday, I'm taking back my sleep on a Saturday, okay? And lad, the tea bored me. But yeah, so on a Saturday morning, I'm catching up on my sleep. Don't call me, don't talk to me. I'm sleeping. I'm taking back all the early mornings that I had to dispense throughout the week. I'm taking it back on a Saturday. I'm going to sleep till 10 or 11 or whatever. And then when I wake up, I'm going to stay in that bed until my husband brings me coffee. And then I'm going to have my coffee and be on my phone until I feel like getting up. Okay? Just like finally up out of the bed, and I shaved the hair off my face and put on a honey mask. I've had it on for about 15 minutes and I'm about to wash it off. It's Pharmacy Honey Potion Plus. It's this right here. So I'm about to wash that off and then head back to tidy up the house. So I'm doing a quick little wipe down of my bedside table. I was really just gonna straighten it up, but then I realized that there was a lot of dust and my soul wasn't letting me leave. So I went and got a piece of paper towel with a little bit of cleaner on it, and you can see the dust that was on there. So don't come for me. That's, I was just getting rid of regular dust that was hanging out on my stuff. So what is it outside with the box this morning? So I've got like carpal tunnel pain, and this morning everything feel like it will fight me. Everything. So between this milk box here and the other box that I'm about to see in a minute, everything decided to fight me, and I was just over it. Anyway, this is very chill Sunday morning going. I had more to do, in the bathroom this Sunday than anywhere else. So it was not a big breakfast type of morning. I asked the young miss what she wanted to eat, and she said strudels. So I made us coffee, made her some Lasco, and made some strudels for her. Hubby's not big on breakfast. I'm not really big on breakfast, so this is just not a thing. Like, we make breakfast, but mostly it's because of my daughter. So, we'll format up something quick so that I can move on to the next.
to do. So this is my hair. I don't think it's necessarily in the healthiest state, but because I've been straightening it more, it's been lighter, so it's been easier for me to manage, like as a natural girly. Like since I've been straightening more, I don't have that internal tussle where I'm like, just cream the hair, just cream the hair, just cream the hair. So it's lighter, but it is definitely not getting the care it's needing. I'm not doing any deep conditioning or anything like that. I've just been washing, trying to use good products, and going and trimming as I need. But today I'm going to try this. So the Olaplex system, I've been hearing tons and tons about it. So today I'm going to do the intensive bond building treatment, just to kind of see if it's something my hair, let me see if I can, there you go. So this is 0, and then I've got 3, because these things are expensive, child. So I'm gonna do these. It says to put this on for 10 minutes on dry hair, and honey, this looks like my hair is gonna take the whole bottle. But I'm gonna do that and then wait 10 minutes and then do this, and then shampoo and conditioning. Again, the conditioner, this looks like my hair is gonna eat at minimum half this bottle, if not the whole thing. And then here's an oil, which is I'm not using a ton of products on my hair just because I don't like my hair to feel heavy, and the more products I put in there, the more it reverts. So I avoid doing that and really just be putting a little bit of oil on it anyway. If I use like the moisturizer, like a cream moisturizer or anything, I don't do that if I have straightened the hair. But even when I do it like this, if you can see, some of the hair is a little bit more reverted and some of it is a little bit more straight. That's because like in the front I tend to like try to manipulate it more. But anyway, I'm going to start that because it's wash day. And then I don't know, when I blow dried my hair and I look at it, I'll decide if I'm going to straighten it today or not. The last time I straightened it was around my anniversary time, so that was February, mid-February. It is end of April now. It's a few days till May, so that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. I'm not wearing braids as much because I don't know, I'm getting older and it's a little bit harder to do the back not what up, child. So this is me going to and gonna sit with it for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go back to HGTV. fresh out the shower. This is she. Towel dryer dang thing. Stripping a little bit. I'm going to blow dry. Off camera. Off camera. Because I ain't got no time to let y'all see me fight. Okay, so it's been 2 hours later, literally, and the hair is dry. I don't know, it looks okay. I don't know, the light outside is cloudy, so the light looks a little funny. I'm gonna put a little bit of this, and then that's it for today, because I'm tired. I don't know. I think it did something. I'm not sure. It says to use it once a week, and 2 to 3 times a week if your hair is damaged. But so we'll see. Maybe another 2 or 3 use, and then I can say something about it. So once I got done with my hair, it was my daughter's turn. It was wash weekend for her, but the child started coughing and sneezing. So I decided I would not wet her hair. Instead, I brushed her scalp and then take my time and redid all her plaits. Dirty ear never kill nobody. And laundry still gotta get done, so that's the last of it. And at this point, I'm just trying to go lay down and put my feet up as quickly as I can. Anyway, thank you guys for staying throughout this video, and I will see you in the next one.